Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how we can easily download and install the current Python version, that is 3.11.4 on Windows 10, and also run a sample Python program. So let's begin. So simply go to Google Chrome and type Python download and opens the Python official site. Here you can see the latest Python version for Windows, that is 3.11.4. Just click on this option and download the file. Once file is downloaded, opens the file. I'm closing this, and you can see in the bottom add Python to path. Just click on this option and go to custom installation, and you can see optional features. Click all these optional features and go next, and you can see advanced option. Click the first one option, and this is the location where your Python file is located. So click on install. So your installation process is started. So Python is successfully installed in my system. So simply go to search bar and type IDLE and see Python is actually installed or not. You can see the Python version, Python 3.11.4. So it means Python is successfully installed in your system. Now open CMD and type here Python hyphen version, and this is the Python version which is installed in your system. Now check pip version, because we install pip with Python file, and this is the pip version, and here we can run our first Python sample program. So again type Python, and here you can type print, and so I'm printing code with print code with Raza. So you can see code with Raza is shown. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel.